In today's video, I'm going to teach you Calendly availability, how to change, modify 5 minutes. We'll walk through how to update your available hours, remove time blocks you no longer want, and use the list and calendar views to manage everything quickly and clearly. Start by going to calendly.com, click log in, then enter your email address and continue. On the next screen, enter your password and continue to sign in securely. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage. From here, click Availability. This is where your schedules live. At the top, you can switch between a calendar display and a list display. The calendar view is great for visualizing your week, while the list view is handy for rapid edits. To change or modify a time block in the calendar view, click on the box for the day you want to adjust. Choose Edit Date. We'll see the time ranges for that day. Update your start and end times to reflect when you want to be bookable. When you're happy with the change, click Apply to save it. A quick tip: consider leaving short buffers between meetings so you're not back to back all day. If you need to remove a time block instead, click the box again and choose Edit Date. Click the small X icon next to the time range you want to delete, then click Apply. That removes the availability for that block on that date. Double check that you still have at least one time range on days when you do want to accept bookings. Now, let's look at the list display. In this view, each day shows time ranges as lines. To quickly remove one, click the X next to the range. To add a new time, click the plus icon, then enter the start and end times you want. This is perfect for adding split schedules, like morning and afternoon blocks on the same day. You can also save time by using Copy. Click Copy, then choose the day you want to copy those hours to. This is a fast way to duplicate availability to another day without retyping. Before wrapping up, make sure your changes reflect your typical work hours and time zone. After you click Apply, Calendly updates your availability for booking. That's it. Log in, go to Availability, choose your view, edit or remove time blocks, and use Copy to replicate hours efficiently. You now know exactly how to change and modify your Calendly availability with confidence.